This demonstration concerns connecting to a Vscene hub from a class team where the teacher has provided the link to the Vscene hub in the posts area. Just before we commence here, I'm aware that some users might have the view that they have set for their Teams environment slightly differently configured. So I'm going to demonstrate that also as we start here. So I'm going to go into settings from my own personal profile here, and I'm going to choose the grid listing. Now, as you can see, that provides all your teams listed in grid format. I prefer to use the other listing, which is the list-based listing, which is this one here. So I'm going to just leave mine like that. So this is the team I'm using for demo purposes here. And as you can see, I've entered the general channel, which is the one that is automatically opened when you connect to any team. The posts tab is automatically displayed also. So this is a convenient place for a teacher to provide the link to a Vscene hub. Now, in order to connect, sometimes you need a PIN code. In this case, there's no PIN code needed. So the teacher has simply provided the link to the room. So in order to join, having already joined Teams, I just have to click on that link and it will automatically prompt me to put in my name and click join. So I've automatically joined the room now. As you can see, in this case, we're using a class view hub. It's quite normal for the mic and the camera to be switched off. So in order to enter the room and be seen in the room by your teacher and so on, you do need to switch the camera off like so. And of course, switch the mic off to speak. To leave the room at the end of the call, all you need to do is click on End Call. I have to recommend when you enter a room like this that you always switch on the chat function in order that you can see if there's any conversation taking place in the chat area. That can be reduced like so as well. Connecting to a Vscene hub using a mobile app. Okay, so the recommended method for connecting to a Vscene hub using a mobile device, such as an iPad in this case, is as follows. First of all, you need to access your Teams app. So we need to click on the Teams app. Having done this, we then can select the team for the class that we want to attend or the meeting that we want to attend. Now I've got my test team set up here, as you can see, and I'm in the general channel. And as you can see here, I've got a Vscene hub link set up. Now previously, you might have needed a room code in order to join a certain type of hub, but in this case, all we have is a link. So the method here actually is just simply to click on that link. So when we do that, you'll see that it automatically launches the Vscene app and allows you to proceed to put in your name. And if necessary, you can also add the PIN number at the bottom here. In this case, there's no PIN number, so all I need to do is to click on Connect to enter the room. And as you can see, I automatically enter the room with camera switched off. This is a class view hub, and also with the microphone switched off. So if I switch on the camera, you can now see the video being sent. Okay, in order to leave the video call at the end of the day, all you need to do is click on the hang up button, and then we're back to normal. And of course we can quit our apps in order to restore to a normal situation.